Hello and welcome to the second tutorial in a series teaching you how to use Signals&Sorcery, a generative audio platform. In the first tutorial we generated a contract. We described it as funk and it gave us some chords in E minor, 100 beats per minute. We also generated two synths, a kick and a bass line. Let's quickly give those a listen. Not bad. So the next thing I want to show you is how to add samples. So by default, this application ships with a sample library, but the idea is you can load up your own samples. It'll time stretch them to fit the loops and try to match the key, all that kind of stuff. So let's listen to the tracks. And now let's add a sample. So it's gone and found all the ones in 100 beats per minute that match. Let's just try a random one. Let's add a second one. And just for fun, let's change the bass line sound. I like that one more. And there you go. So next we'll have a look at using custom plugins. Thanks for watching.